Hello, algebra students. I'm so proud of so many of you who are working so hard, and some of you need a few extra points. So we're going to have a little quiz on Friday. And what I want you to know is the worksheet that you did Thursday for homework, if you have it completed, you may use it on the quiz. Also, if you take notes on this video, you may use it on the quiz tomorrow. So anyway, I'm going to do one problem. Find the equation of the lines that are parallel and perpendicular to the given equation and that pass through the given point. So let's do the parallel one first. Okay, now in either case, I need to know the slope of this black equation. So the slope is going to be 2, right? Okay, so let's do the parallel now. Parallel. So once I know the slope of the black equation, I know this. I can get the parallel slope, which is also 2. I know the point is negative 8, 2. I'm going to use point slope form to write my equation. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. And when I do that, I'm going to substitute in. I'm going to go y minus 2, that 2's from here, right? Equals m, which is 2, times the quantity of x minus negative 8. Well, that'll be x plus 8. There's the point slope version of the equation, and I'm going to turn it into the slope intercept form. So I'm going to distribute here, multiplying by 2, and that will give me y minus 2 equals 2x plus 16. And then I'm going to add 2 to both sides. And so y is going to equal 2x plus 18. And there you go. So this is the point slope equation, and this is the slope intercept. On the quiz, I'll expect you to do both things. All right, let's find the perpendicular equation. I think I'll go with purple for perpendicular. All right, so we're going to do the perpendicular. It's done almost the same way, but you have to remember that you need the perpendicular slope, which is the negative reciprocal. So if the slope is 2, the perpendicular slope is negative 1/2. After that, it's the same problem. My point is still negative 8, 2 in this particular problem. I substitute in y minus 2 equals negative 1/2 times x plus 8. And then that's my point slope equation. Now I distribute. And when I do that, I get y minus 2 equals negative 1/2 x minus 4. Getting y alone, I'll add 2 to both sides. And I'll end up with the equation y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. And so this is the point slope equation. This is the slope intercept equation. All right, that's it for the video. Of course, one thing you might want to remember, and we talked about this a lot, is if you have the equation in standard form, you may want to use the shortcut, which would be, to find the slope, would be negative of a over b. Then again, you may want to convert that to slope intercept form by subtracting negative 3x, getting 4y equals negative 3x plus 8, and then divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, and so then y would equal negative 3/4 x plus 2. So my slope would be negative 3/4. I won't use the 2, right? Not if I'm finding an equation of a line parallel perpendicular. If I use negative a over b, I think it's easier, but it doesn't matter what I think. It matters what you're able to do. A is 3, b is 4. So negative a over b ends up being that. Well, isn't that the same as this? So it doesn't matter which way you do it. All right, that's it for the video. Mr. Lawrence signing off. Have a good night, everybody.